So, hello everyone. Let's move to our Cancer. So, this is weekly general reading for March 16 to 22. So, babasahan naman po natin ang ating mga Cancer. Babasahan natin yung iyong love, career, and finance for this week. Cancer. And let's see kung ano ang energy mo. Alright, for Cancer, love, career, and finance. Love, career, and finance. Love, career, and finance. Ooh, wow. Naka-reverse, very nice. Kala ko naka-upright. Naka-reverse naman, so we're good with that. Okay. For Cancer, no? Sa love, you have Queen of Cups. You have the Seven of Swords na naka-reverse. Thank God. And meron kang Four of Cups sa iyong finance. Alright, no? So, nakikita ko sa tatlong card na to sa love mo, which is, okay naman. Wala namang problema sa iyong love. You can handle it. You're handling it just the way Cancer handle relationship. Okay? Sa iyong career naman, no? Siguro this is the right time, no? Nararamdaman ko dito sa card na to is this is the right time to gamitin mo yung pagka-leadership mo. Gamitin mo yung pagka-teacher mo to share some wisdom, no? To share some wisdom. Dahil nakikita ko, no, meron kang mga sneakiness sa paligid mo. May mga tao sa paligid mo na hindi maganda ang mga ginagawa. So, gamitin mo yung iyong power, yung iyong pagiging intuitive. I don't know how to you pronounce it right, but intuitive person or personality na gamitin yon para turuan. No? Turuan ng magandang wisdom yung mga taong nasa paligid mo na hindi gumagawa ng tama. Okay, so ahala ko pa si Koy naka-upright to, I would say it's you. But it's reverse. Nakita nyo naman, bumagsak ng naka-reverse siya, diretso. Kasi kapag nakaganyan, or lumalabas siya ng ganyan, ng patagilid lang, ina-upright ko siya. Pero lumabas siya talaga ng naka-diretso na nakabaliktad. So, hindi ko ito, mga taong nasa paligid mo na gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa ibang tao. And then sa iyong finance naman, no? Ito sa career to, no? Ito naman sa finance mo. Sa finance mo, no? Makikita mo, parang board ka naman. Parang, well, I need more, I want more. Parang, even though na marami ka pang gusto, parang naboboard ka kung ano yung mga natatanggap mo, no? No? Bored ka, or you want something spices when it comes to your finance. No, medyo bored ka sa part na to. But we will still clarify these cards, okay? So, let me use my original tarot card with explanation and Churbachenes. Alright, for love. Alright, for love, for our Cancer, love, Queen of Cups. Let me clarify the Queen of Cups for our Cancer. Ako po, lumabas. Okay, kunin ko na siya. Okay, so you have the Two of Swords, you have the Magician, you have the Ace of Pentacles, nice, and you have the Nine of Wands. Okay, sa iyong love, no, Queen of Cups, kinaklarify natin si King of Wands, Cups mo, no, so you have Two of Cups, is about need for balance, no. Medyo meron a little bit stuck or difficult when it comes to making decision to your love or to make some progress to your love, no? But medyo may sinasabi dito na kailangan ng medyo balance, no? I-balance mo. And you have the Magician, which is, yun nga yung minamanifest mo. Yun yung minamanifest mo. And then, you have the Ace of Pentacles, which is take care of your health, no? Health ang sinasabi dito. Health for you, para ma-push mo yung mga new beginnings mo, no? May mga opportunities and might may mga na-achieve ka or ma-achieve ka ng mga wealth, but always think of your health first, no? And then you have the Nine of Wands, which is the action, passion, and charm with fairness, no? Malakas ang charm mo sa love, malakas ang iyong passion sa love, malakas yung energy mo sa love, malakas may action ka sa love, but always think of your balance and your health. Yun ang sinasabi sa iyo ng love mo. Alright, so let's move and clarify the Seven of Swords for your career. For Cancer, yobe-babe. For Cancer. Sabi ni. Alright, so you have the Devil, no, addiction. And you have the Ten of Wands. I want more. May mga responsibilities tong mga taong ito. Ano ba ito, Cancer? No? Illusion, imagination, thinking. Oh my God. Grief, addiction, materialistic, and sexualities. No, may mga tao sa paligid mo or may mga tao kang mga kilala sa paligid mo na medyo ganito. May mga hindi maganda ang ginagawa, which is, yun nga, nabanggit ko na kanina yung mga negative, which is the devil. And then, yeah, itong mga tao na to, ito yung parang nagpapasikip ng abundance mo eh. Ito yung, parang mas magkakaroon ka ng responsibilities sa mga taong to. Tapos, ito yung magpakapag, ng karir mo. Makakapag luck, or makakapagtali sa'yo sa mga abundance mo na I don't know. Ikaw lang makakaalam niyan, no? And then you have the Seven of Cups, which is kinaklarify nga natin itong sneakiness na to, no? Itong mga tao sa paligid mo na to, na medyo imagination, illusion, wishful thinking, no? Para makapag-benefit sa iba, ginagamit yung mga ganyan, yung mga illusion, yung mga imagination nila, yung mga kung ano-ano, no? Well, tama naman tayo ng ating mga clarification for this one. So, no, ingat ka lang sa mga ganitong tao para magtuloy-tuloy yung abundance mo, Cancer. Okay, so let me clarify naman the finance. Finance naman tayo. Clarify the finance. The Four of Cups. Bakit boring ang ating mga Cancer? Bakit boring ang ating mga Cancer? Okay. Dahil siguro dito. But let me see. You have the Nine of Swords, you have the Three of Pentacles, and you have the Four of Cups. Okay, so, yes, meditation, no? Because sometimes you're feeling disengaged and pathetic because of the, perhaps, something disappointing recently happened, which result into your become close off. No? Yan, kaya ka nakapakailam. Yeah, bored ka, no? So, consider meditating on your current situation for clarity, but don't ignore the things in front of you which may help, no? Ito yung sinasabi sa'yo. No, kita mo dyan, boring na boring ka, oh. Diba? Yeah. You still need to have courage. Or, may mga tao sa paligid mo pa naman na mag-encourage sa'yo, magkakaroon ka ng teamwork, magkakaroon ka ng more skills, gagamitin mo yung skills mo lalo. Katulad nga ng, gamitin mo yung skills mo, gamitin mo yung pagiging leader mo, no, para turuan yung mga taong ganito sa paligid mo. Kahit wala sila sa paligid mo, pag meron kang nakitang ganito, give them at least wisdom. No, wisdom. Share the wisdom. No? Because si Mercury nasa sa bahay ni Pisces ngayon. So, ibig sabihin nun is, yung mga iniisip natin, mga ini-imagine natin, no? Dahil si Pisces is ruled by Neptune. No? So, yung mga ini-imagine natin, yun yung parang gagamitin natin as makapag-communicate sa ibang tao. Which is napaka-sneaky napaka-sneaky nung posisyon ni Mercury na nasa bahay ni Pisces, dahil si Mercury is about communication. And then si Neptune, which is ruling planet ni Pisces, is nandoon sa bahay. Nandoon sa bahay si Mercury sa bahay ni Pisces. No? And then yeah, like I said, action mo, simulan mo na mag-action para pumasok na yung talagang mga abundance mo, no? And then, masimulan mo na makapag-focus sa iyong mga goals. Yun yung sinasabi sa'yo dito, no? Kina-clarify natin ito. Which is, hindi rin naman tayo nagkamali ng ating mga clarification dito dahil yun yung kina-clarify natin talaga, no? That's why I love this card. I love this card. Super, super. Very, very, connected. Alright, so let me give you advice, Cancer, for this reading, no? Bigyan kita ng advice from the universe, the spirit, and from our divine God. Angel, spirit, guide, thank you. Can you give Cancer advice for this? Listen. Oh, makinig ka daw. Listen. Listen to the song here in my heart. Charles. Okay, listen. Quiet your mind, beloved one, sabi ni Spirit. And listen to our gently reassurance that everything has been taken care of. Stay in a quiet and receptive state without worrying about the exact nature of your desire manifestation. A quiet mind and body hears us quickly and clearly. This is our request to you, so please listen. So this is your reading, Cancer. I hope you like it. And see you in my next video.